how to buy Mind AI token. So this token came under the symbol of MA. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is referral codes down in description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So if you check this post from the MEXC, you will be able to see this, that this token it's on the airdrops. So it will be available on 20 February on 13 UTC. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC and fund you some USDT. So until that date, go to your account and copy that token symbol on the search, and now you can find the pair, and click on it, so and you can buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy my token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.